today we'll be reviewing 2 perfumes from an online store. So these perfumes came from Luxury Perfumes. So I texted them how much is the shipping fee. So they sent me a list of available perfumes. Apparently, wala doon ang hinahanap ko. Yung promos pala nila is regularly priced at 2,999 each. But now, meron 999 for buy one take one and 649 for one piece. And then, last Sunday, that was January 18, they texted me na get 2 brand perfumes for 800 pesos and get 1 brand perfume for 500 pesos. Good quality original with barcodes sa ilalim ng box. So, it says there are 3 slots only. First order, first serve only. And it's COD and free shipping nationwide. Then, nag-reply ako, tester po? No. At ang sinabi nila is 100% legit perfumes proof of transactions. Marami din po kaming repeat buyers and mga sellers. Package available po. And then, nag-send sila ng proof screenshots from satisfied customers. And then, nag-send ulit sila, still interested pa po ba ma'am? And then, I asked them for YSL and Baccarat. So, yes daw, available daw ito. And then, they offered me free shipping kung within the day. I texted my info and then confirmed my purchase for 800 pesos. So, 2 to 3 days delivery, Metro Manila. This would be delivered via GNT. 3 to 4 days delivery, Luzon. 4 to 6 days delivery, Visayas. And 6 to 10 days delivery, Mindanao. So, it says there no cancellation na po dahil binayaran na po namin ang delivery fee ng order ninyo. Okay? So, I asked them if pwede ko makita yung 2 perfumes na in-order ko. And they said yes. Sabi ko, pasend na lang sa messenger. And pinakita nila ng picture together with the barcode and yung in transit ang order po. Pa-wait na lang po ma-deliver. So it arrived kaninang mga around 5 to 5:30 ngayong araw. So today is January 20. So now I'm unboxing. So yan yung binasa ko, yun yung conversation between kay seller at sa akin. So, package-wise, ayos yung packaging niya. Makikita naman ninyo sa video na nag-struggle ako magbukas dyan. So, I'm now unboxing YSL Libre. This is X-Ray. Mas matapang siya. Mas concentrated siya kaysa sa EDP, Eau de Parfum. So, hindi ako masyadong familiar with the pronunciations. I think it's French. Yeah. So, yan yung packaging ng YSL. Similar, ayan. Sorry, natanggal agad. So, similar siya sa packaging ng original. Nagkaroon lang ng problema dyan kasi yung yung gold na yan, na trimmings, nalalaglag siya. Kanina ko pa siyang in-spray nung pagkadating. Medyo may hint pa siya ngayon. So, yan yung 2 kong in-orders. Look at that. Nalalaglag na siya. So, in-spray ko naman na siya. And okay naman. Tinry ko. Nagkikling pa rin siya. So, it's been, ngayon ay 8:37 na PM. 5:30, say for example, 5:30 siya dumating. So, 3 hours na siya. Meron pa din siyang faint smell sa balat. So, yan yung packaging. Yan yung top part ni Baccarat. Ayan, parang it sells in the market for around, siguro mga 13,000 plus. I-check nyo na lang sa mismong site nila. So, again, those are dupes. Kasi syempre, hindi naman makakakuha tayo ng original na ganyang kamura. Pero still, good pa din siya. And it stays longer. okay naman the smell. Okay? Thank you!